Welcome back, you guys. It's been a little long minute since I updated you on my 240, but pretty much a couple days ago ordered up some parts. I wanted to do a full alignment on my car since I got the Megan Racing coilovers installed, and I couldn't do it because I need more adjustment, and so I had to beef up the suspension. So pretty much ordered like basic things, what I need to get my suspension done. So I got the tension arms in the front, got the traction, tow, and camber arms in the rear, and pretty much that's gonna be good for me to do a full alignment and get it to, what I like. So, I mean, excuse, all this sweat. It's a little hot here in California, but we used to it. We've been living here for a while. It gets hot in the summertime. Believe it or not, actually, this summer, 2018, is not bad. I work in the shop, and it's actually not too bad. It had a couple of days where it was like 100 something. But other than that, it's been like in the 80s and like low 90s, so that works for me. But anyways, so while all the stuff is coming in, so far the camber arms came in. It's nothing crazy. I'll show them real quick. But the main thing is, for my coilovers, the Megan Racings, they're 12 kilograms in the front and 10 kilograms per millimeter in the rear. And I've been driving for about 3,000 miles now and didn't give you an update, but now, hey, this is an update, I guess. Over potholes and stuff like that, go on the freeway, if there's something uneven pavement, is like sudden and unexpected. Obviously, coilovers are stiff, but to me, I think it's a little too bouncy. I think the car is too light for these, stiffness springs. So I want to go down a notch. And with the Megan Racing, you could go plus 2 kilograms or minus 2 kilograms. So I'm going to go minus 2 kilograms. I don't know if it's going to work, but in my opinion, I think it should work. So I'm going to get the old ones that I have on my coilovers, put them in the front. And I ordered up the Swift springs again, 8 kilograms, put them in the rear. So pretty much we'll do that tomorrow, but today let's just do the unboxing real quick. All right, so here are the camber arms. I wanted chrome, but they came in silver, but it's all Gucci. Got them off of eBay, super quick shipping. Can't complain for like 40 bucks. So yeah, the overall theme, I guess, for the suspension for now is going to be traction, and camber arms are going to be like this color. And then the toe arm is going to be a little darker gray. And then, which is nice, it's going to be like incognito kind of stealthy looking. But you'll still be able to obviously see the suspension if you raise it up or something, or maybe on the side by the wheel. And then the front tension arms are going to be blue, which I kind of don't like. But hey, I was deciding for like a day or two. It was either those like cheap tension arms for now, or like some angled tension arms, which are around like 170 and up for decent ones. So I was thinking, but then I was like, for now, I'm not going to be like crazy drifting, don't need the crazy angle, so just got the normal ones. But anyways, enough about that. So yeah, so far this is the only thing that came in. Once everything else comes in, we'll obviously install and make a video. But here's the box for the Swift springs. Give you the specs of them. So here's the part number. Pretty much part number is the way the springs are. I think it's like for any brand from what I noticed. Z65 is going to be the inner diameter of what it could fit. And then 203 is going to be the millimeters, so it's all in millimeters, 65 and 203. 203 is how big the spring is. And then 080 is going to be the stiffness of the spring. In this case, it's a 80, so that's going to be 8 kilograms per millimeter. So that's it. And when I first seen this box, I was like, what the heck, did I get the wrong part? It looked pretty small, but let's find out. Definitely both springs. Hey, I can already tell they're nice quality. Swift is definitely known for the quality and ride. Pretty much the best springs in the market, in my opinion. For sure. Swift springs 080. I mean, yeah, good luck with that one, bruh. So got these. I mean, look, it's pretty dope, let's say. I got like silver Megan Racing, so instead of the black, definitely prefer this. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Definitely both springs. I don't know what the heck this is. Kind of doesn't really matter. It's all like in Chinese or whatever, or Japanese. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be installing these, making another video of the install, probably like a time lapse like I always do. Pretty much do a video of the install and how they ride. My first reaction to see like stock, the 10 kilogram setup compared to the new one that I'm gonna have, a 10 and 8 kilogram setup. So all right, you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned.